Hey, what's up producers, Bruce here. Welcome to this Logic ProX and Maschine tutorial, and today I'm answering questions I get a lot. Is it better to start from the bass line or the kick? How can I record the bass line with Maschine? And how do I export and edit in Logic? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 bass lines in 3 minutes. It makes sense to start from the bass line because it leads to important subsequent decisions like the pitch of your kick. In this video, we assume you have properly routed Maschine, and if you haven't, check out my previous tutorial. This project is in B major, the tempo 133 BPM. My bass is on pad 13 because I want to use pads 1 to 12 for my drum samples. In Maschine, my bass is routed to external 8, which is routed to bus 2 in Logic. On your Maschine, choose a bass sample, press keyboard, choose the key you want, and then press note repeat and enable lock and hold. Now that you're all set, press record, then play to start the recording. So now we have recorded a pattern in Maschine, and to export it, just drag and drop from this MIDI logo right here. Now I'm closing Maschine, placing my playhead, Command T to cut that last part I don't need, and I'm going to repeat the process for another pattern. But before I do, I must delete my previous recorded pattern to avoid overlapping. So same thing as before, a simple drag and drop. I'm selecting my 2 MIDI regions, Command J to join them, so I can easily edit the way I want. And that's why you want your Maschine patterns in Logic, because it is so much easier to edit. Okay, let's listen to this new pattern I created. Okay, I'm satisfied with it for the moment, and I might use it for my intro, but I also want to record a third pattern with 4 notes. Perfect. Now I can choose a kick for these bass lines I created. I'm also ready for EQ and compression, and if you want to learn how to do that, hit subscribe. If you like this tutorial, give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.